Chinese Navy flotilla with laser-equipped warship enters Pacific Ocean. A Chinese naval flotilla has been spotted heading towards the western Pacific this week. Among the ships is a suspected warship equipped with advanced laser technology. Japan's defense ministry confirmed the flotilla's movement, raising regional security concerns. The Pentagon reports China maintains the largest navy with over 370 ships and submarines. This development highlights China's growing naval capabilities and influence in the Pacific. Stay updated on global naval developments and subscribe now.